What's up, you guys? I'm Lauren from TasteBetterFromScratch.com, and today we are making a delicious baked ham, which is part of lots of special holidays and traditions, but honestly, it's just a nice thing to have on hand. I love ham leftovers, so go ahead and ditch that packet of seasoning that comes with your ham, because I'm gonna show you how to make a delicious pineapple glaze to go on top. Let's get started. I like to take the ham out of the fridge 1 to 2 hours before we start to let it come to room temperature, which will help it to cook evenly. So go ahead and unwrap your ham. I like to buy a bone-in spiral cut ham. The bone in the ham adds really great flavor. Spiral cut is super convenient for serving, but any ham will work for this recipe. Go ahead and open it up. We're gonna place it face down in our baking dish. If you're wondering how much ham you need, you're going to want to buy about 1/2 pound of ham per person. All right, let's head to the stove. We're gonna make a pineapple brown sugar glaze. All right, you guys, we ditched that glaze packet for a reason, because this is only 4 ingredients. All you need is 20 ounces of crushed pineapple, or pineapple tidbits will also work, 3/4 cup of light brown sugar. We need 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon and 1/4 teaspoon of ground cloves. Super simple recipe. We're gonna stir all of this together. We're gonna let it cook and simmer over medium-low heat for about 20 to 30 minutes. You want all of that liquid to start to evaporate, and it will kind of thicken up and turn into a nice glaze that we're gonna pour over the ham before we bake it. Now our glaze is nice and thick. We're gonna go ahead and spoon about 1/2 of it onto our ham before we put it in the oven. We're gonna add the rest of the glaze after the ham is cooked in the oven for about 1.5 to 2 hours. Grab some tin foil. We're gonna cover this whole pan and stick it in the oven. The tin foil is gonna help keep all the moisture inside while the ham cooks and keep it warm. Stick this in the oven at 300 degrees for about 1 hour to 1.5 hours. Oh my goodness, this smells so good. Spoon the rest of the glaze on top. Then we're gonna stick this back in the oven, uncovered at 400 degrees, increase the temperature to 400 degrees, just for about 15 minutes to give a nice toastiness to the glaze. Guys, I wish you were here with me right now, because this ham smells amazing. It's beautiful too. I love the combination of flavors from the pineapple, brown sugar, and the ham. Oh, it smells so good. My favorite part is what awesome leftovers this makes. You can use them for chicken cordon bleu, ham sandwiches, ham fried rice, like so many possibilities to use leftover ham. Bon appetit!